Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a Minecraft axolotl. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, gray, a darker shade of gray, blue, lilac, and get ready for a wide range of pink shades. Very light pink, a slightly darker pink, a strong pink, and a slightly lighter strong pink. This drawing is 16 squares tall by 12 squares wide. We'll start with the black color and skip 5 squares from top to bottom. On the 7th square, mark 7 vertically. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right, 1. Down to the right, 6 horizontally. Up to the right, 1. Up to the right, 2 vertically. Up to the right, 7 vertically. On this line, we count 2 from top to bottom and mark 2 horizontally to the left. We count 2 squares to the left and mark 1 below. We skip 2 squares to the left and mark 1. We count 2 squares to the left and mark 1 above. And we fill in all the marked squares. I also want to invite you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can automatically become part of the Pixeler Club. That's what we call our family here on Pixelados. Now, we take the darker gray and mark 1 below this square. We skip 1 square down and mark 3 vertically. Here we mark 1. Here 1. Down to the right 1. On this line, we count 2 from top to bottom and mark these 4 vertically to the left. Down to the left 1. And we fill it in. Now we take the lighter gray. Here we mark 4 vertically. From this square down 1. Here we mark 4 vertically. Down to the right 1. We skip 2 squares up and mark 1. Here we mark 6 vertically. On the right line, 7 vertically. On the right line, 4 vertically. We skip 1 square up and mark 1. From this square up, we mark 5 vertically. Here 1. Up to the right 2 vertically. Up to the right 5 vertically. And we fill in all the marked squares. Now we take the blue color. Here we mark 1. Here 2 vertically. From this square to the right 2 horizontally. Here 1. From this square up 4 horizontally. Here 1. And we fill in all the marked squares. We continue with the lilac color, and from this square we skip 2 squares up and mark 1. From this square we also skip 2 squares up and mark 1. And we fill it in. We take the stronger pink, or pink number 3 that I showed you, and from this square to the left 1. Up to the left 1. From this square we skip 2 squares up and mark 1. Down to the right 1. From this square to the right 1. Up to the right 1. From this square we skip 2 squares up and mark 1. Down to the left 1. Here 1. Down to the right 1. Up to the right 1. Here 1. Down to the right 1. Up to the right 1. and we fill in the marked squares. Now we take the slightly lighter, stronger pink, which is pink number 4 that I showed you. From this square up 1, up to the left 1, here 1, from this square down 2 horizontally, from this square up 1, up to the left 1, from this square up to the right 1, from this square down 2 horizontally, and we fill it in. From the lighter pink shades, we take the darker one, which is pink number 2, and here we mark 1, here 2 vertically, from this square we skip 2 squares to the right and mark 2 horizontally. Here 1, here 2 vertically, from this square to the right 6 horizontally, here 3 vertically, here 3 vertically, and we fill it in. In the upper corner, I leave a link to my other drawing channel where there are more Minecraft drawings. Now we take the lightest pink of all, pink number 2 that I showed you, and here we mark 3 vertically, here 3 vertically, from this square to the right 4 horizontally, here 4 horizontally, here we mark 1, and here 1 as well, and we fill it in. And this is how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in a new video. I'm sending you a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!